Hey guys, this is Mark with MHTAlerts.com. Today is September 12th, 2013. This is your tropical update. Got a lot to talk about. We got Hurricane Category 1 Humberto, Tropical Storm Gabrielle, newly formed Invest 93L, and that's over the Bay of Campeche. And then we got another tropical disturbance out here near the Leeward Islands. So I'm going to do a few bits of information, go over the radars, and first I'm going to go over the information here for Invest 93L. As you see, the spaghetti models are very disorganized, and the reason is because we really don't know where the storm is going right now. And the storm itself is very disorganized. So it looks like, though, the National Hurricane Center says that it's going to have an 80% chance of developing into a tropical depression either tonight or tomorrow. So that's the thing. We'll be watching Mexico for this particular storm system and South Texas just to see if there's a chance of it moving and where it's going to move. Right now, according to the National Hurricane Center, they are sending an Air Force plane into the system to actually investigate the disturbance later today. I will do my best to actually update the site, and it will increase to a 90% chance probably in the next 24 to 48 hours or less. And it may be jumping from a tropical depression straight to a tropical storm. So hopefully we'll get a better view or spaghetti model of what might happen with the storm system. So let's go into Hurricane Category 1 Humberto. According to the National Hurricane Center, this is advisory number 16. Max winds are 75 knots or 80 miles per hour. Very, very well-defined storm system right now. Minimum central pressure is 982 millibars, located at 21.8 degrees north, 29.0 degrees west. Movement is north at 13 knots or 15 miles per hour. Now, as far as the prior video that I made before, I told you the storm system is going to make a gradual turn, and it sure did. This turn was going west, and then it just jumped to a northern position, and it just moved up. I mean, this is something that I have not seen in quite a while as far as why it's doing that. I think it is that we got this higher low pressure system that's just all mixed up right now, and it's not something that we're used to actually seeing this particular movement. So, as you see here, though, the spaghetti models put it away from the United States, and as we get into the next few days, when it lands around this location here that I'm circling, we're going to have to watch it just to see if it doesn't stay on a different path from where it actually goes, which is very strange and unusual movement for a storm coming off of the African coast. But looking here at Tropical Storm Gabrielle, we may have to worry about this for Nova Scotia and the other islands up here, the Prince Edward Islands. We will have to worry about this storm system as it continues to move on. But I do think, according to the National Hurricane Center, that this storm will be a minimal tropical storm, which means not as strong as you think. So right now, it is a pretty good-sized tropical storm, but not much. It says maximum sustained winds are 35 knots or 40 miles per hour. Minimum central pressure is 1,008 millibars. Located at 33.9 degrees north, 67.7 degrees west. Movement is 7 knots or 8 miles per hour, and that could be a problem if the winds are favorable for further development, which I don't think they are. The storm system may have a chance of increasing in size, but I think we're okay for right now. So once again, the folks in Nova Scotia and the folks in the Prince Edward Islands need to keep watch of Tropical Storm Gabrielle over the next couple of days. So I'm going to go ahead and bring up the satellite view of Google Earth right here so you can see it's a very well-defined storm system for this Hurricane Gabrielle, or Hurricane Humberto, sorry. And as you see here, it's just well-defined. Let's take a look at the actual satellite imagery. And there's that strange turn. You see it just moving west like normal, and then boom, it just heads on up north. And that's something that I have not seen, and definitely want to keep watch on this strange moving storm system. But again, it's probably because of the high low pressure systems, the way they're sitting right now. Everything is just very unorganized. So folks, this is actually good news for the United States, or folks out there who are worried about the storm system. So I think we're in the all clear. We're still going to be on condition green, so it looks like everything is okay. So don't forget to continue to check out the Facebook page at facebook.com/Mr. Hurricane Tracker. I post all the videos there. So, I mean, if you don't always check out the YouTube page, it will always be on the Facebook page. So once again, folks, I want to thank you for watching. Stay alert, be cool, and have a nice day.